Are you tired of struggling with inadequate lighting during your nighttime adventures? Well, today I have something special to share with you. Introducing the Jeep JLJT Squadron Pro A-Pillar Light Kit by Baja Designs. At only 3 inches, these lights won't take up much space on your Jeep. But what good is a compact light if it doesn't deliver in terms of output? Don't worry, Baja Designs has you covered. These lights emit a powerful and high-quality light beam, ensuring you can conquer any trail with confidence. They feature a 5000 K daylight color temperature. Most lights on the market tend to be closer to 6000 K, which can lead to eye fatigue. These lights give off exceptional brightness that will transform your nighttime off-roading adventures. Baja Designs offers UService, a unique feature that allows you to swap lens patterns to suit your preference. Want a wider flood beam or a more focused spot beam? With UService, it's as easy as changing a lens. So what are you waiting for? Enhance your nighttime off-roading experience with the Jeep JLJT Squadron Pro A-Pillar Light Kit from Baja Designs. If you are interested in the Jeep JLJT Squadron Pro A-Pillar Light Kit by Baja Designs or need help with installation, check out the store locator on screen or in the description below. And check back for new videos each week. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you next time on In the Garage.